Hi friends, I am Vivek Agarwal, a proud member of BNI Isha since last 3 years. I represent the mattress category and our company's name is Selection Furniture. We've been into business since last 22 years, that's from 1998. Well, my first experience of BNI was a magical one. I got a call from one of my friends to attend a BNI meeting. I reached dot at 7:30. To my astonishment, in the morning, I did not expect such a crowd. Well, there were more than 50 people in the room, hustling, bustling, discussing business right in the morning. It was something new for me and exciting too. Soon I got to know the format of BNI and I was awestruck to know how people were exchanging businesses among themselves and guiding each other, holding hands to move forward and gaining business for each other. And this was the very concept that got me interested to join BNI. BNI is not about business alone. It is about fellowship and relationship building. It's about personal relationships, and personal relationships can really go deep. I didn't feel this could happen in a BNI chapter until one day I was driving through on a holiday and suddenly I felt unwell. It was one of the BNI members that came into my mind as he had recently joined in the category of a doctor. So I called him. Well, he reciprocated with utmost care. He went on the phone. He was there on the phone continuously advising me what to do and pacifying me. At the same time, he arranged for the medical emergency team to attend me. When I reached, some of the BNI members were also there to help me out. Well, I got through this due to his personal help. So needless to mention that BNI is not only a business chapter, it is like a family. It so happened that we had been trying to get into one of the government departments to supply our mattresses. Since long we had tried, but we had failed as we could not get in contact with the person responsible for the purchases. And to our great surprise, one fine day we got a call from that particular department saying that they had a reference from one of our BNI members who had supplied some goods over there. To our surprise, they visited our showroom, finalized the big amount of order, and we were happy to deliver to them. Not only this, since then we have been continuously supplying mattresses to that particular department, all thanks to our BNI member. There are 7 core values in BNI, but the most important one which I feel is accountability. BNI has taught us immensely how to be accountable. We meet on a given date, on a given time, on a given platform. We give our 30 seconds pitch. We always give our ask to the room, and we always try to help each other with references, and we give thank you slips for businesses which we get. In short, we are accountable to each and every thing that happens in BNI. It helps us to follow how we are progressing. Accountability has helped my business in the same way. We have been more accountable to our customers to give their services in time, to give their products delivered in time. We have been accountable to our vendors to see the payments through in time. We have been accountable in every way possible. BNI has helped us to become more focused and more professional toward our business. Thank you BNI for giving me an opportunity to join BNI Isha and getting such a beautiful circle of experienced businessmen from whom we can learn new things every day, and for helping me to become a better person and become a better businessman. Thank you BNI for changing the way I do business.